My name is Ron Fox. I'm an attorney at Bigham, Fox & Skinner. Been here since the beginning. And I represent people, injured people, in workers' compensation matters and in personal injury matters. That's the only area of law in which I practice. Bigham, Fox & Skinner was started by Pat Bigham and myself, Ron Fox, back in 1984, 1985. Pat and I had been practicing together separately, but in the same suite. And at some point, we decided that it would be more cost-effective, and we enjoyed one another's company, so that we decided to form a partnership. I've been fortunate enough that when I get up every day, I look forward to coming to my office. Why? Because I like helping the people that I represent. I enjoy the companionship and collegiality of the folks in the office with whom I work. And I like the business of running a law practice because I find that having the right systems in place allows everybody in our office to work more effectively and deliver a better outcome sooner for the people who we represent. The types of cases that I find most gratifying are those in which I have been able to secure someone's financial well-being at a point in their life when perhaps they have been so injured that they're unlikely to be able to return to gainful employment. These are folks who have been profoundly hurt, who will never work again. And but for getting a good outcome in their comp case, are going to be financially on the ropes for the rest of their lives. So I feel, and I've thought this many times over my life, that we're not doctors here. We don't save lives, but we do financially secure lives. So that's one of the more satisfying things for me. One case that comes to my mind as particularly satisfying is one that I was able to fortunately resolve within the past year. It is a workers' compensation claim where a gentleman reached out to me after having closed his workers' compensation case through the assistance and involvement of another attorney. However, after that case closed, he had ongoing problems, and that other attorney wouldn't speak with him further, wouldn't help him further. It struck me that he had a viable claim that ought to receive more attention. And over the course of what turned out to be several years, and a lot of slogging through gathering records and organizing evidence and deposing witnesses, I was able to demonstrate that he really did have a claim that had merit as a permanent total disability claim. And as a result of that, I was able, at a mediation, to resolve his claim with a substantial payment to him that made a huge difference to his own personal financial well-being and that of his wife and his children. When I am outside of work, the things that I most enjoy are spending time with my wife. We've been together a long time, going back to college days. And I love being with her to prepare meals, to entertain at home, to go on hikes, travel. I also like to read a lot, fiction, nonfiction. It's a simple life.